Hey guys, welcome back to the channel today. My name is Stylebyreme, and if today is your first time on here, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you become a member of this family. Here on this channel, I share sewing tutorial videos and I share pattern drafting tutorials as well. Today's video is going to be about you guys, my subscribers. I'm going to be showcasing some of the beautiful recreations that you guys have sent me in the past few weeks from watching my tutorial videos. So if you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching and let's get started. Hey guys, welcome back again. So all of us, we are aware of what we are doing here today in this video. Of course, I'm not going to be able to showcase all the styles that I've gotten. I'm just going to be sharing some of them. These ones I'm sharing are not the best. These are just people that tagged me in their pictures, so it's easy for me to just go to their page and get these pictures. So yeah. One of the pictures that one of the tutorials that a lot of you actually loved and recreated so much. Like, I didn't expect people to actually recreate this particular dress. Was this one right here? Like, I've seen so many recreations. I think this is the most recreated videos on my channel right now. A lot of people have recreated this gown. They sent me so many pictures. You can see them right here. I'm going to be sharing them on the screens while I am talking. So many beautiful recreations that I've gotten from this particular style. You guys have been amazing. If you have seen your picture here, go to the comment section and say something nice. If you have not seen yours and have recreated this and sent it to me, I'm very sorry. If it's in my DM, probably it has gotten lost here because there are so many messages in my DM. I think the best way for me to easily get your pictures and your creations is when you post it on your Instagram page and then you tag me. Then it will be easy for me to actually get it. So one that I really liked was this orange color, because I actually saw a lot of whites. When this person sent her own recreation, I was like, wow, this is just absolutely beautiful. So this other person here decided to make a twist to her own, and I actually loved the way hers came out. Like her own neckline, she decided to have a collar there, and then she decided to have like a drape on the sleeve, and it still look really nice. So with this, I just wanted to say, you guys know that when you see a tutorial online, there's nothing wrong with you authoring it and making it your own style. These styles actually here are all beautiful. I loved every one of them. Now another style that a lot of you really loved and recreated that I was not even expecting people to really like that much was the corset with basque waistline and Ankara. Like, this particular style, I've gotten a lot of recreations, and all the recreations are just on point. You guys are just doing an amazing job out there, and I'm actually very excited, and knowing that you guys are actually finding these videos helpful and are actually able to make outfits out of these tutorials that I post on here. These pictures right here are absolutely amazing. This particular corset video, which was just giving me joy. The way I feel excited whenever I get a picture from this particular style is just something else, because a lot of people tend to have issues with corset, basque waistline and all of that. So it shows that video was really helpful. I'm really excited. Another tutorial that you guys really recreated a lot was this top. Everybody loved this top, and a lot of people recreated it with different colors, different prints, combining different prints as well, and they all came out really nice. Loved all the designs that I got there. If you have not seen your picture yet, please don't get mad at me. Definitely I'm not going to be able to showcase all the pictures. This is just to appreciate every single one of you. Everyone is appreciated, whether you have your picture here or not. Now another style that you guys recreated, this was actually recreated by only one person for now. No, there were other people. I think there was another picture I saw of a jacket. Unfortunately, I don't have that here right now, but this is a jacket recreation and it came out really nice. I love this. Very nice. And she said it's her first time. I think I remember her saying this is her first time trying to make a jacket. So this is just amazing seeing something like this. So another tutorial that you guys seem to like a lot again was the underbust corset top. I got a lot of pictures on that as well. Very nice ones. I particularly loved this one because the one I created on my channel didn't look like this. but she said she got the inspiration from there, and this was really nice. This was really nice. I loved how it came out. And then we had the wrap dress tutorial. This is the only picture I have right here of that particular one, of what someone has sent me that she recreated. So yeah, there's so many. Of course, I cannot post everybody's picture right here. This is just to show you guys that these tutorials actually work. Sometimes I've seen comments in the comment section of some people complaining that they tried it in the work and then they're like, it doesn't even work and stuff like that, but it's working for other people, you get. So one thing I want to say is that all you have to do is to be patient with yourself. Sometimes you just cut clothes and you are a learner. As a learner, I will always say, as a beginner, you should not be concerned with corset as a beginner. Calm down, learn how to do other things at first. Learn bustier. You should know how to do a bustier before you start thinking about corsets. So yeah, just be patient with yourself. Honestly, be patient with yourself. Take it one day at a time. If you're sewing something, if you're following a particular tutorial, it doesn't necessarily have to be mine, and you follow it to an extent and you see that, okay, what I'm doing is not coming out the way this person's own is coming out, maybe it's just calm down, leave it for some time. I used to do that a lot. I would just leave this in there. Probably 2 days later I'll come back and probably loosen it up. Sometimes loosening up an outfit that you have made to an extent can be very annoying. Nobody wants to loosen anything. You just want to make it, and if it doesn't look okay, you're like, okay, it doesn't look okay. Be patient. Be very patient with yourself. Fashion designing is it's something that requires patience, honestly. Have you seen these big designers when they make a dress for 3 days and you see them having to do hand beading? And I don't know, I think that should be everybody's aim. I don't think there's anybody who wants to just remain as a tailor and just be there. You should be open to changes. Be open. Just take whatever comes, try your best, make sure that you're trying. So yeah, this is all I wanted to say to you guys. Just make sure you're trying your best. Nobody's perfect. I am not perfect. I am still learning. There is so much to learn. Just be open to learn. That's basically it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you saw yourself in my pictures or you saw your picture in my video, whichever one of them. And if you saw yourself, go and make a comment in the comment section. Okay guys, that's basically all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. If you found your pictures in my video and you do not make a comment, I will come and find you in your house. And if you're yet to subscribe to the channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. I will be seeing you guys in my next video, which will definitely be a tutorial. Till then, bye and have a nice day.